LaSalle looking for a side out as Liza Valdez is on deck. 10 serving 12. Ateneo LaSalle. Second game, Saturday, doubleheader live here at Studio 23. Maya-maya po para sa mga football fans. The LA Galaxy taking on the Philippine Ascals. Live din po yan, courtesy of ABS-CBN Sports. In the meantime, Ferrer opens up to Phil Cainglet. Checked at the net. Ferrer leading the joust against no less Abigail Maraño.
And Jem Ferrer, you just oozing with confidence on that last play. You can see Phil Cainglet on that hit.
Liza Valdez ang kadiagonal ni Phil Cainglet.
Oh yes, on the open hit. Kaya pag nagsimula na si Phil sa harap, yun na yung time na si Eliza naman nandun na sa service line and she gets a point off that serve.
LaSalle was up by 6, Mosey, 12-6. Ateneo has come back. They have settled down and have won 6 straight points.
That's why there was a timeout from Coach Ramil De Jesus. He did not want Ateneo to recover. Pero ito pa rin, Ateneo again.
Now both liberos showing a little bit of shaky reception. Two of the best. A veteran in Gohing. Right, Bindin Lazaro. One of the best from last year. Liza continues to serve.
Season now. He's getting that ball up.
Tama. Season na pumalit dito. Oh, Phil Cainglet looking for space. Galang now. Chance here for Ateneo. Ferrer, who will she go to? She goes to the captain. Check at the net by Abigail Maraño.
And to me, you cannot do that. It was really well read by LaSalle. Why? It was a high ball. They knew it was going to go to Phil. The ball blockers already ready themselves and closed the door and really made sure that the Ateneo girls take it back.
But if you're Phil Cainglet, was also that weapon of down the line, you want to vary that attack. Galang goes down the line. That's out.
Sorry, missed there, Galang. Just missing the line on that down the line hit. But I tell you, Boom, this girl will really be a superstar of volleyball one day. Next mo pa parang si Gumabaw last year, di ba?
Nakabuka. Uy, natulungan ng net. Buhay pa ang bola.
Chance for Ateneo.
Ferrer goes back to Phil.
This is how it should be. A lower ball, a lower set to Phil Cainglet. A much faster set to Phil will work for Ateneo.
Excellent point, Mosey, dahil doon din nila nabasa kagad.
See, only one blocker coming from LaSalle.
At mali yung timing.
Huli na isa.
And nakita mo talaga yung strength. Lumakas talaga si Cainglet in the off-season.
Oh, talaga a much improved player.
Because in the last 2 years, that's what we've been saying about her. We know she's accurate. We know she has that volleyball sense, where to put it. But she still has not developed some strength. And yun, swiping it off the blocker, which we already know that she can do. And now the lead is 3. As we go into a technical timeout. Back in a moment. Babalik po ang UAP Volleyball Women's Tournament Season 74. Ito yung last play natin with Phil Cainglet swiping it off the blocker.
Just a very smart move on the part of Phil Cainglet.
16 serving 13. Best setter, Jem Ferrer. Gumabaw. That's a net block.
No go, says our referee. So, point goes Ateneo.
Kung sinong yung unang bahagyan nitong laban natin, kitang-kita natin, napaka-loose ng LaSalle. They look confident, they look loose. But now it's starting to tighten up for them.
Well, on the other side, Ateneo getting their groove back.
Nagkabaliktaran, ano?
But here, a chance for LaSalle to run a play.
Chance for Ateneo. Herbacio with the left hand to give them their biggest lead of the match at 18-13.
And see, Herbacio really wanted that point. Outstretched arm with the tip.
Let's listen to the defending champions. Here as nakarami na si Liza Valdez sa service. Ngayon si Jem Ferrer naman, Mosi.
Oh, nice sharp serve.
Iniba niya yung serve niya, no?
Yes.
Diba? Hindi na siya nagja-jump serve. Oh, and that net.
And she's
catching.
Now going for an angle. Nakita mo nasa dulo na siya ng service line. These are the maturity that we've been waiting for the rookies of 4 years ago from Ateneo.
Not to say that her service wasn't effective. She was one of the better servers, but she's showing a little variety now.
But this is what you want because hindi siya napapagod masyado of a jump serve.
Tama. Dahil alam naman natin siya yung
she will
tatakbo dun
run
sa harap.
around and get all the second balls impossible.
19-14. It is now LaSalle ball. He forces side out. But the lead down to 5. Not much noise yet from Cha Cruz. It's been Reyes, Galang, and Abigail Maraño. Cruz digging that one out. Galang towards the corner.
This time, getting that corner. Victonara.
16-year-old.
Yes, Victonara Galang.
From the Angeles University Foundation. Yan ang mga abangan yung next stars here.
Next gen volleyball players as Abigail Maraño blowing that serve.
Nabanggit nga natin yung last time, Mosi. Kahit mukha pa lang ni Victonara, parang, di ba, she looks so young.
Yeah. Halatang-halata mo na talaga right out of high school. Pero yun naman ang believe din ako because Coach Ramil showing so much confidence in this very young volleyball player.
At pinupuntahan pa rin hanggang ngayon. Kaya nandun si Nakachi. Napayungan yung palo. And a point for Ateneo. They are at 21, serving 15. As I mentioned earlier, I got to talk randomly to a cousin of Gretchen Ho, and they were saying that, you know, from when she was a kid, she was always a basketball player. But in high school,
in Ika,
there was no volleyball program. So napilitan siya because she wanted to be in sports. So she took up volleyball. And then, alam naman natin yung kwento sa Ateneo na parang walk-in na, diba?
nag-try out.
Nag-try out.
Well, alam mo ba kung sino coach niya nung high school siya sa Ika? Because assistant coach Bilet Ponce de Leon of UST ang coach niya. So, doon na-hone yung skills ni Gretchen Ho and really loved the game.
You know, UST has had a lot of, kumbaga, imprint on so many teams, players, coaches, di ba? In the sport of volleyball, men's and women's. 22 serving 15. Nagpapatuloy po ang itong ratsada nitong Ateneo de Manila University Lady Eagles, who did not win a single game against LaSalle last year in 3 encounters. It's a different story now for them. At least that's what they think. This one is wide.
Too much angle on that open hit by Phil Caiglet, but now you can see the confidence in Phil trying to risk, trying to find the line.
Yes, and there's a little bit of a cushion at 7 points kanina, so why not mix it up?
You know, Galang has a mean serve.
Yes, she does. Taken by Valdez. Oh, what a play! But returned easily by LaSalle. Caiglet with the off-speed.
Chance for the Lady Archers.
Cruz adjusting down the line.
This is what Cha Cruz gives you. Iba pa, no? Yung bonus points mo dun sa defense, especially the floor defense of Cha Cruz, just so splendid, even if she's not the libero.
That's a great combination play by Ateneo that was topped off by a reactionary dig by Galang, I believe.
And finished with that play.
Yeah. And Eliza Valdez, sorry, that's Lazaro rather, having problems today. And now LaSalle inching closer, 18, serving 22.
And this is why everyone is out here. watching this game.
Good crowd here at the arena in San Juan. Live on Studio 23. A primetime matchup.
Oh, Eliza Valdez from the back.
Yeah.
No, way from the back.
Taas masyado. Ito, Englet naman. Taken by Esperanza. Chuck Cruz, who used to double as a setter, again puts it away. And now down by 3. You know Ateneo is going to call a timeout here. And let's listen to the Lady Eagles. Some timeouts are about instructions. Some timeouts are about reminders. Some timeouts are just about stopping momentum of the opponent. And some timeouts are about all of that combined.
Right, and in this game, you will need all of that for you to take out this game. Of course, Ateneo trying to close this one, but the Lady Archers trying to even out things. Only 3 points down.
And Galang is the one serving again. A floater. Over-received a little, but the adjustment by Ferrer. Tan. Cross-court. That drops in. Aided by the net.
That's right, lovely break there for DLSU. A stand. Look at this open hit. Going for an angle. Avoiding the blockers of Ateneo.
No matter what you say, 3 of those players still, that's 6. Championship experience. Oh, jump to there! A great pancake by Maraño.
Now a chance for Ateneo to set up.
Ferrer with a quick. And Zier Vasho puts it away. Gives him a point and 2 points away from the match. Sorry, from the set rather. 23-20. Ferrer tipping it.
And look at Zier Vasho just with a power tip.
It's Phil Kainglet now. Serving. Drops in. Kita mo yung bagsak ng bola,
right.
Mos.
Yan ang floater at U1. Yan ang always tinatry i-achieve ng isang volleyball player.
Alam mo, it's sailing out, then laglag.
Then it suddenly drops down.
24 serving 20. That's set point for Ateneo. Maraño sends it over. Free ball for the Eagles. And it is the rookie.
And it's going to be called out. It
Because
hit
it hits the
that
antenna, yeah.
Yes.
Hindi pa tapos ang laban dito sa first set. At ganito ang asahan nyo sa lahat ng mga set dito. 21 serving 24. This is Alexandra Tan, originally from Hope Christian High School. Kainglet from the back line. Wow. Talk about the additional power this year. That says it all.
Kainglet closing this first set on the first meeting.
LaSalle never lost a first set in last year's tournament.
And again, just to remind you, Ateneo never won a game last year against LaSalle.
Pero mahaba pa to. First set po lamang. Ateneo winning 25-21.